Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my latest grocery haul from Food Lion and Aldi. I'll be breaking down the prices to see which stores closest to me offers the best deals and how I use some of these ingredients every day. So stick around to find out. Starting off with a green onion bunch for 99 cents. Public charges $1.37 and Harris Teeter sells them for $1.39 each. The best price is at Food Lion. Next, I got 8 ounces of sliced white mushrooms priced at $1.99. Harris Teeter's price is $2.69 and Publix organic option is $4.09. I really love mushrooms and try to be creative with them. I recently made a mushroom walnut cream sauce to go with my pasta, and honestly, I outdid myself. The 3-count Nature's Promise organic avocados cost $2.99, so 99 cents per avocado. Publix sells individual avocados for $1.83, and Harris Teeter's 2-pack costs $1.40 each. Best deal per avocado is at Food Lion. I gotta have my avocado toast. Definitely one of the best ways to eat an avocado. Next up, 16-ounce bag of Nature's Promise organic carrots, priced at $1.39. Publix organic carrots cost $1.65 and Harris Teeter's are $1.99. So another win for Food Lion. Alright, I got the 8-ounce bag of fresh express spinach for $3.29, but Publix and Harris Teeter offer more spinach per ounce for the same price. Not my best purchase, but the lesson has been learned. Cauliflower, $2.89. Publix charges $3.87 and Harris Teeter is close at $2.99. I did not expect for one head to be so expensive, but Food Lion wins by a small margin. My fave, the zucchini squash, priced at $1.49 per pound. Publix charges $2.75 per pound, and Harris Teeter is at $2.49 per pound. Honestly, Food Lion's prices are unbeatable. By the way, I love everything zucchini, so check out how I make the most delicious zucchini fritters after this video. Next, some beets. This bunch costs $2.59. Publix charges $4.41 and Harris Teeter's organic version is $2.99. Beets are highly versatile. I recently used them to make beet gnocchi, which tastes heavenly. If you're interested, you can also check out that video on my channel. Okay, I got this 4-count sweet potatoes, which is 24 ounces for $3.19. Harris Teeter's version is $4.99. Every penny counts. You can't go wrong with mini sweet peppers. I got this 8-ounce bag for $2.49. Publix charges $4.41 for the same price. As usual, Food Lion wins big here. I don't know about y'all, but I do not like to peel garlic. This Spice World fresh peeled garlic 6-ounce bag is $2.89. Publix charges $4.41 and Target's version is $3.99. I'm telling you, get your garlic at Food Lion. Next up, half an ounce of Nature's Promise organic basil, priced at $2.19. Publix and Target have similar pricing at $2.19 and $2.56. This is tied with Publix for best price. I got 2 mangoes for 99 cents each. A Publix mango costs $2.53. Harris Teeter large mango, whatever that means, goes for $1.39. So there are huge savings at Aldi. Almost half the price of Harris Teeter and the fraction of Publix cost. I use this mango to make a mouth-watering tropical bread pudding, so make sure you subscribe to get notified when I drop that video. A 16-ounce bag of Food Lion walnuts is $8.99, which comes out to be 56 cents per ounce. Publix organic version is $8.09 for 10 ounces, which comes out to be 81 cents per ounce. And Harris Teeter is $6.99 for 10 ounces, but comes out to be 70 cents per ounce. So the best price per ounce is at Food Lion. As you can see, I love the Food Lion brand. I got the 16-ounce whole long grain brown rice for $1.19. Publix version costs $1.43, and Harris Teeter's Mahatma brand is $1.59. Food Lion offers the most affordable option. Rice Select Moroccan style couscous, the 26.5 ounce container goes for $6.99, compared to Harris Teeter at $8.99 and Publix at $9.97 on sale. Food Lion wins the best price. Next, I got whole grain rotini pasta. The 16-ounce box costs $1.99. Publix Barilla whole grain rotini 16-ounce box costs $2.19. The whole grain penny pasta 16-ounce box goes for $1.99, so same as the one before. Publix Barilla whole grain penny pasta box goes for $2.19. But to be honest, I want it to be fancy and get a well-known brand. You can get this even cheaper with the Food Lion option for $1.29. Remember, Food Lion is the most budget-friendly option. The next two items I got from Aldi, starting with these vanilla wafers, which cost $2.99. Publix sells theirs for $3.65. Aldi saves you money. Next is some espresso coffee. This is 8.8 ounces and priced at $2.79. I'm sorry this is open. I needed coffee bad and I couldn't wait. So Publix version costs $5.55 and another alternative is $2.99. Back to Food Lion. I have here 32 ounces of fat-free vegetable broth for $1.69. Publix Swatson's broth is $2.43, and Harris Teeter's version is $2.79. So the common theme here is major savings. Food Lion 15.5 ounce can of garbanzo beans costs 86 cents each. Publix and Harris Teeter both charge $1.09, while Aldi's price is 89 cents. Food Lion slightly beats Aldi, but all are solid choices. Food Lion 24 ounce 100% honey jar runs for $8.59. Publix sells theirs for $10.99, and Walgreens brand is $8.99. So I got 1 quart of shelf-stapled coconut milk for $2.88. Publix sells this exact brand for $3.33. It's a small but solid save at Food Lion. Now let's officially jump to Aldi, where I always find some unbeatable prices. Kirkwood boneless, skinless chicken thighs cost $3.89 per pound. Publix is at $5.53 per pound, and Harris Teeter sells them for $4.99 per pound. Aldi wins for bulk buying. Fremont Fish Market shrimp goes for $5.99. Publix sells a similar option for $9.95 per 12 ounce, and Harris Teeter's price is $9.99. I got 2 bags of wild-caught pink salmon fillets, 32 ounces each, for $7.99 each. Food Lion's pack costs $17.99, and Target's is $19.99 for the same size. Aldi crushes the competition. This was a satisfying find. I got 12-ounce tuna steaks for $4.29. Publix charges $7.75 and Food Lion is at $6.99. I love tuna. Spicy tuna and poke bowl tuna. I'm just in love. So I was super excited to get it at this price. Another seafood still at Aldi. Another staple is grated Parmesan cheese. This 8-ounce bottle costs $3.29. Publix sells theirs for $3.63, and Harris Teeter's regular price is $3.99. I usually don't get this, but I love goat cheese. Oh my goodness, I can't get enough. This 4-ounce log was $1.99. Publix and Harris Teeter's versions both cost over $4 each. So it's safe to say there are huge savings at Aldi. That wraps up this haul. Food Lion has solid deals on produce and pantry items, while Aldi stole the show on dairy, seafood, and meats. Thank you for everyone watching this video. I would love to know where you all shop for the best deals, so make sure you leave a comment, alright? I love y'all. Most importantly, God loves y'all. Peace.